Hey everyone, if you're serious about upgrading your metal cutting game, then you have to check this out. Today we're diving into three powerhouse CNC-enabled plasma cutters from LOTOS, the LTP6300DCNC, the LTP5500DCNC, and the LTP6000. Whether you're cutting trailer frames, building metal art, or running a small fabrication shop in the US, these machines promise serious performance. Stick around as we unpack what makes each one stand out, and which might be the right fit for your workshop. Let's get into it! 1. LOTOS LTP6300DCNC 63 amp, non-touch pilot arc, CNC-ready. This model brings a hefty 63 amp output and supports clean cuts up to 3/4, almost equals 19 mm, and severance cuts up to 1, almost equals 25 mm. Amazon is CNC-ready with built-in THC, torch height control, output and ARC-OK signal, making it ideal for automated tables or more advanced workflows. It also supports dual voltage, 110V/220V, so you have flexibility in your power setup. Amazon. Pros. High amperage gives strong cutting capacity for thicker materials. CNC-ready interface makes it suitable for automated setups, great for shops. Drag cut ready, torch can glide directly on workpiece for template tracing or freehand looks. Cons. Higher cost and power requirements compared to entry machines. To fully exploit it, you'll likely need good air compressor and clean setup. Air quality matters. Customer reviews. According to Amazon, the actual product listing describes that this machine is designed for auto body patch panels, farm maintenance, trailer frames, HVAC ducting, metal art, and small shop fabrication with ability to cut stainless, alloy/mild steel, aluminum, and copper. Amazon One reviewer pointed out, at this price you get first-rate cutting ability, paraphrased from a review of the brand, LOTOS Plasma Cutter Plus One. Why buy it? If you're working with medium to heavy-duty metal fabrication, or you run a small shop and want the option of CNC automation, this model gives you strong capability and flexibility. The non-HF, high-frequency, start means less interference and cleaner starts through painted or rusty metal. 2. LOTOS LTP5500DCNC non-touch pilot arc digital plasma cutter, dual voltage 110V/220V, 3/5 clean cut. This is a slightly more modest machine compared with the 63 amp model. The listing notes it's capable of about 3/5, almost equals 15 mm, clean cuts under 220V, and supports the CNC-enabled interface with THC signal output. Amazon input is dual voltage, again 110V/220V, so it works in more standard workshop setups. Amazon. Pros. Good intermediate power for folks who don't need the full 63 amp capability. CNC-ready so still supports automation or more advanced setups. Easier on power/more accessible for a standard workshop. Cons. Lower cutting thickness limits it for heavier jobs, max clean cut 15 mm. If you upgrade your work later, you might hit its limits sooner. Customer reviews. The listing claims portable and powerful and mentions the non-HF blowback start, set up within 1 minute via NPT plug and air filter regulator. Amazon One user wrote, cuts very clean, highly recommend on earlier model, similar spec, Amazon Canada. Why buy it? If you're a serious DIYer or a small business operator looking for CNC readiness but with a lighter budget and lower power draw, this is a great pick. It gives you solid cutting capability without going to the highest spec, perfect for jobs like gate fabrication, art metal pieces, trailer components, etc. 3. LOTOS LTP6000 60 amp non-touch pilot arc plasma cutter. This model offers around 60 amps output and supports clean cutting up to 3/4 inch, 19 mm, according to one source. LOTOS Plasma Cutter Plus One, while it may not be explicitly described as CNC in that listing, it's still a strong non-touch pilot arc unit from LOTOS. Pros. Strong cutting capacity for thicker stock at relatively lower cost compared to high-end units. Dual voltage versions exist, depending on model, so power flexibility is good. Well regarded for value, one reviewer said flat-out cuts like butter when cutting steel. eBay. Cons. possibly fewer CNC-specific features or connectivity, depending on version, compared to the DCNC models. To cut its max thickness cleanly, you may need very clean air supply and proper setup. Customer reviews. From a user, this machine flat out cuts. Cuts very clean and more than I expected. LOTOS Plasma Cutter +1. Why buy it? If your workshop does heavy-duty work but you're not necessarily automating with CNC, this is an excellent mid/high range option. You're getting professional-grade cutting capacity without perhaps paying for the additional CNC signals and interface if you don't need them. Final thoughts and recommendation. If you're in the US market and running a metal cutting business, fabrication shop, or even serious DIY, here's how I'd pick among these three. Go LTP6300DCNC if you want full power, CNC automation readiness, thicker stock, and plan to scale. Choose LTP5500DCNC if you want CNC readiness but don't need the absolute max thickness, ideal for moderate work and budget sensitive. Opt for LTP6000 if you want strong cutting capacity, maybe less automation, and want best value and high performance. Make sure in all cases you pair it with a good compressor, clean dry air, proper voltage circuit, especially for 220V models, and appropriate safety gear. These machines are powerful and deliver professional results when set up right.